Oh, I'm sorry. Ah, corona. I make a video and I lost, and I speak about too many stuff, but the more important stuff was the Porsche and the group of the people Snob and the group of the people of Posh and forgive and share difference was very like Nelson Mandela message. But whatever, it's not really nice. I tell you, I only do one time, and the next round when flow the subject or this again. Well, now I in the video speak about I hate the energy, mix the energy of sex with stuffs, and try to use this energy like something very for make exercise of like a quiet when you have traumas and this kind of stuff and whatever, and when you cure this you can go more creative, blah blah blah, but in the mood from today, the was not terrible, but it's not super comfortable. It was a little too sleepy mood, and the bad way like you feel like go something like this, and I don't like this. And I listen to this song and feel like it's super good vibes. That's exactly the music I want. Is a very cute song. It's one of my favorites. Only I don't put la primera vez. If was my song, I don't put this. But everything's super cool. Because it's very uncomfortable if you listen to something so cool and your parent likes like I don't know how for other people can understand like what's this is start to understand. Like the people say, come on, for the car. Viene, like made but in men. Something very Italian. And it's uncomfortable because they have this kind of programmation for, he's so cool. Everybody have a scare because they are very hunter. And it's like, man, I'm the baby girl and the idiot stuff. Everybody, they have this kind of situations. Even the more elegant person. But finally, this kind of cybernetic man's like, what's the name of this movie? The bionic persons, this generation. Start to understand is that only is a programmation. And they are not only one that have the same situation. It's too many that. And I start to, well, only for this because if you listen to it with friends, it's very cool. Maybe I have the two songs, something like this, and the other for listen every day and with every moment with whatever person. Well, I did a performance from Symbology System. I remember something very funny. Then I show you this. Tengo mucho amor, tengo talento. Factory X or something like that. Sharon Osbourne, the Chicken Factory, then exists something very similar from Christina Aguilera. Oh, and it's a girl looks like Christina Aguilera, but she sang a song about the Britney Spears, and it's very cute, but it's very funny. Very vibes of Jersey Shore. And I have a new entomology system. Today I buy so many things from the compensation about stuff I lost, and I